In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to promote your music on Spotify. So this video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how I was able to promote this artist, and she actually has about 300,000 plus streams on Spotify. So I'm going to advise you actually watch this video to the end, because you might not actually find this kind of video right here on YouTube. So this video is going to be a step-by-step guide on what I actually did right here to be able to promote this artist, and she actually has about 300,000 plus streams on Spotify. So without wasting much of your time right here, let's just get right into the video. So if you actually go on YouTube right here and you actually type in how to promote your music on Spotify, so the first thing they will always tell you to is to open your Spotify app right here. So once you open your Spotify app, they're gonna ask you to actually search for the genre. They're gonna ask you to search for your genre. They're gonna ask you to search for playlists in your genre. Maybe probably let's say Afrobeat right here. So let's just type in Afrobeat. So if I actually type in Afrobeat, it's gonna bring out a bunch of Afrobeat playlists right here. But what they are not telling you is that some of these playlists that are actually ranking right here, some of these playlists are not active, and a lot of these playlists out there are actually full of bots. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get your song on an active playlist and how you could actually avoid getting on a botted playlist. So how I actually do find playlists is that what I'm going to do is I open my Spotify app. Whenever I open my Spotify app, I'll always search for an artist in my genre. So what I'm going to advise you to do is to make sure you actually search for any artist that is popping in your genre. So let's just say you actually have a breakout artist, maybe probably in your genre. What you need to do is just searching for the name, or you could actually just search in any top big artist in your genre, either be Afrobeat, hip hop, reggae, whatever genre you are. What you just need is to search for one of the biggest artists in your genre. So for me right here in this video, I'm gonna be using this artist as an example. So there's one of these artists right here called Kate, and this artist just actually break out right here in my country. So you also need to do the same. So let me quickly just search for the artist name. The artist name is called is Kate or something. Yeah, so this is the artist right here. So you can see right here that this artist just blew up right here this year, and this is one of the songs that actually blew out the artist. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be copying the artist link right here, the artist Spotify link. So I'm going to copy the artist Spotify link. So when I actually copy this artist Spotify link right here, so I'm going to head over to my Safari right here. So I'm going to be pasting in the link right here. So what I'm going to advise you to do is you need to make sure you actually request for a desktop mode. So if you're going to be doing this on your phone, make sure you are requesting for a desktop mode for you to be able to do this. So you can see right here the artist profile has actually loaded. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be scrolling that a bit right here. So I'm going to head over to where it says discovery right here. So once I actually click on where it says discovery right here, you're going to see a couple of playlists that the artist has been featured on. So you can see right here that these are one of the playlists that the artist has been featured on. So what you need to do right here is to open this playlist right here one after the other. So let me open this playlist right here. So the first playlist right here is an editorial playlist by Spotify. So I'm going to be closing that right here. So I'm going to open this playlist right here. Like this playlist is actually owned by an individual. So you can see right here that this is the individual playlist right here. So let's just assume you already found a playlist that you want to actually place your song on. So let's just assume that okay, I want to actually place our song on this playlist. So what we need to do right here is to actually open the playlist right here on Spotify. So let me just copy the link of this playlist right here. Then I'm going to be opening the playlist on Spotify basically. So let me just click on that right here and copy. So let me quickly open this playlist on Spotify. So you can see right here that this is this playlist, but how can we actually contact this playlist creator? Because if you actually go down to the description, you guys are going to notice that this playlist creators do not have an email that we could actually reach out to them. So if you actually go through their playlist, you go through their profile, you're gonna notice that this person has a couple of playlists. And if you actually open all of these playlists right here, so let me quickly find one of these playlists to open. Okay, let me quickly open. Let me quickly open this playlist right here. Where's the playlist? Okay, let me quickly open this playlist right here. If I actually go through the description of the playlist, you're gonna notice that there is no email that we could actually contact these guys on. So what are we gonna be doing right here? The only way to actually contact this person right here is to either reach out to them, maybe probably see if they have like a Facebook account or a Twitter account that you could actually reach out to them with. That's the only way you could actually reach out to them. But guys, you need to be actually careful whenever you are promoting your music with the playlist. One of these playlists are actually bolted playlists, because you might actually see a playlist right here with huge amount of numbers, and most of the audience on that playlist might be bought. But how can you actually identify or differentiate between a good playlist that has real listeners and a botted playlist? That's why I've created the iOS Academy right here. So what I actually teach you right here in this academy right here is I literally walk you through all the steps I actually use in promoting a lot of artists right here, because literally I've worked with a lot of artists in the past. I actually walk you through how to grow your streaming audience while you sleep using Spotify playlist. So you can see right here, these are a couple of artists I've actually promoted right here with the method I'm going to be showing with you right here. So you can see right here that some of these artists have gotten into editorial playlists like Release Radar, Radio, Discover Weekly, and a bunch of editorial playlists right here. So what are you going to be getting right here in this academy? I'm going to be walking you through how to find good and engaging playlists. I'm also going to be walking you through how to identify bot and real playlists, and also I'm going to be walking you through how to check the engagement of a playlist, and also how to check an engagement of a playlist based on their country. So if you know you would like to target a specific country, or you want to get streams for a specific country, I'm going to walk you through everything right here in my academy right here. And also I'm going to walk you through how to get good results from this playlist, and also how to save the cost of promotion. So you can see right here that I've actually worked with a lot of artists right here. You can see right here, these artists have about 300,000 streams. This artist has about 40,000 streams, 20,000 streams, 19,000 streams, 500,000 streams. You can see right here, you could actually just see that I've worked with a lot of artists, and some of these artists has made over $18,000 from their royalties. You can see right here that this person has made over $18,000. This is another label right here that has made over $1,800 right here. So you can see right here that I've actually worked with a couple of artists. So I'm going to be leaving the link to the academy right here in the video description right here, so you can always do well to go check out the academy if you know you're actually interested. So this academy is going to be teaching you everything you need to know about Spotify and music promotion in general. Walk you through how you could actually identify between a real playlist and a botted playlist, and also I'm going to be walking you through how to actually reach out to these playlist creators, because a bunch of these playlist creators, they do not have a contact email that you could actually reach out to them with. So I'm going to walk you through. I'll also be sharing with you a secret tool I use in getting all of these playlist creators contact. I'm going to walk you through how to get their IG, how to get their Facebook username, also how to get their WhatsApp number. Basically I'm going to be walking through a lot of stuff right here in the iOS Academy. So do well to actually go check out the academy. I'm going to be leaving the link in the video description. But for those of you that might not be able to afford the academy, what I'm going to advise you to do is to actually just open this playlist one after the other and see if they have like a Gmail account that you could actually reach out to. You could basically just reach out to them, and in some of these cases right here, some of them are actually going to reply to you, because while some of them might not actually reply to you, because a lot of people are not actually checking their emails, because most of these playlist creators actually receive a bunch of messages on their emails, and they might not be able to go through their emails. But basically you might actually be lucky, because just make sure you actually do this for multiple playlists right here. Try to reach out to them, and what you should actually keep in mind that some of these playlist creator might actually place your song on their playlist for free, while some of these playlist creator might actually charge you to get on their playlist. But the most effective way to actually reach out to these playlist creators is either you having maybe their WhatsApp number, or you having their direct IG contact right here, that you can actually text them right here and you reach out to them. But keep in mind that once you're actually doing this right here, you need to note that some of them actually reply you, while some of them are not going to be replying you. But in the academy right here, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step way on how to actually reach out to these guys, and they are going to be replying you. I'll also be sharing with you guys some of the playlists I've worked with, some of the playlist creators contact I've worked with in the past, so you could actually just check them out and also get your song placed on them. So if you found the video helpful so far to this point, please do want to give the video a like, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So basically, to actually get into the academy right here, I'm actually charging you guys a small fee, because right now I'm actually doing a discount right here. So if you actually head over to the website right here, Today I'm actually giving you guys a discount, so just $33.44 right here, because this is actually the amount of money you actually pay for your subscription on probably DistroKid and any other distribution company, because this is almost the same amount of money that some of these distribution companies actually charge you to distribute your music on streaming platform. Like, why can't you just invest in yourself and actually learn how to promote your music yourself? Because if you are able to learn how to promote your music yourself, it's going to save you a lot of promotional cost, and also you'll be able to also promote other artists and also make more money for yourself. So if you know you're an aspiring promoter and you want to learn how to promote your music, or probably you're a record label or an artist that is eager in learning how to promote your music, I'm gonna advise you to actually go check out the academy. The links are going to be down in the video description. So guys, if you know you haven't smashed that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Do it, touch the smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.